Preparing for the hurricane. Today we're gonna hunt. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna hunt.
More horror pops, and we're watching our boy here, Abel. This man's a genius.
He's a genius, alright.
Oh man, I love his hair, love that stream. Missed out on it, but I'm catching up on it right now.
Mike Entertainment Reviews, you're a pervert, man.
Hey, check him out though, good man. That's a lot of damn movies, I'll tell you that much.
Got a lot of shit in your room, boy. Got a lot of shit in your room. Anyways, today we're gonna go on a hunt, and we gotta prepare 3 houses? Yes. We gotta put shutters on 3 motherfucking houses. Yeah, bro, you guys and Miguel. I gotta go help Miguel too. So yeah, let's do that. It's starting to rain already. Our tours are gonna get wet. Wet they are.
Wanna sing the hurricane song? Hurricane coming for that ass. There's a hurricane coming for your ass. There's a fucking hurricane coming. There's a fucking hurricane coming. There's a fucking hurricane coming for your ass. Thank you.
But you said they got the shit in here or what? Did I drop it off?
Yeah, the FedEx, yeah. First stop, Walgreens, we're gonna drop off some FedEx and see if we find any good tours. Let's go. I feel don't let me buy this, bro. I don't know if they're assholes or good friends, but I just want to buy this. It's only $5.99.
Why? Because you're mush. What are the odds that you land the burning water?
It don't matter, bro. That's why it's not
1 in 36.
What are the odds you just put this on that and put that up your ass? How about that?
This fucking guy. You see what I gotta deal with, guys? Dirty motherfuckers. Not a damn thing in this Walgreens.
We gotta get up that diamond fry.
Right now, we're doing things a little different. Now we're gonna go eat.
Dominant fries.
We usually eat late. Now we're gonna go eat.
Yo, we need that fucking fuel, man. Gotta put us some fucking
Yo, this motherfucker, he finally saw Captain Spaulding. Dr. Satan. Dr. Satan. Hey, but what you thought about Dr. Satan? He made that motherfucker Fish Boy.
That fucking movie is freaking. I like gory movies, but it actually made no sense to me though.
Well, hey, well, tell him what movie we saw. What is it? The House of a Thousand Corpses. Nothing wrong with that.
House of a Thousand Corpses.
Hey Richie, you went in the wrong way, you fucker. This guy's gonna kill us one day. He knows it. Let's start checking fries. Let's go eat that. Let's go get that fat in us. Look at this guy.
This guy is not only red light, but the worst fucking.
He just drives in front of everybody.
Hey, I sure ain't hungry.
Make it right. Supposedly he still hasn't done shit. Like this guy, maybe said, send me back my shit then, and I'll send you your piece of shit. And he hasn't done it.
That was Stretch?
Yeah.
Stretch, you fucking up, motherfucker.
Oh, he already fucked up.
Oh, you already fucked up.
Yeah, man. They be wrong.
There's only one way you can make it up.
Go to the NBA and give us money, you bastard.
You're gonna have to work out something with Baby. Send them the ultimate chase. Not the one I send them, that's the ultimate chase. We just ate, we gained a few pounds, and now we're gonna keep on the hunt for something. I don't even know what.
That hurricane coming for your ass.
The hurricane's coming.
Hurricane
But you know what?
coming.
You know what though? I got a feeling that hurricane's gonna bring us more toys. It's gonna be a toy hurricane for sure.
Hey, well,
Toy gods are gonna help us.
Let them know when the hurricane hits. Watch our live feed. We will be reporting from WW Fig Life Palapinga. I'll be reporting live.
That's the site right there. Free Life Palapinga. Gas prices are crazy and people still putting gas. Rob Zombie, his movie 31, there's a little midget, speaks Spanish, he goes, puta. Fucking fell in a puddle of water, you dumb motherfucker.
That Nazi midget is dope, bro.
Oh, it's a Nazi midget. Over here at Walgreens, let's see. I'm picking up some minis today for sure.
Okay, so for the
Alright, walking in here, I'm already gonna pick up 2. Show what's up, Richard.
1.
These 2.
Oh, Jack. The Pumpkin King.
Jack Skeleton. Walgreens exclusive. Coming home with me.
Mira, dole preto, brother. He's not working.
Hold your hand.
No, ya murió. He's dead, bro. Somebody messed around with him. Like, Exorcist style.
We're trying to see if we pick up something for trade bait. Who needs a hella?
We got the whole wave right here. Aries right here. People want this bad boy around here. Let us
He's a
know.
bad motherfucker.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. We'll come, like Alex says, we'll run over here hella fast.
Oh, but this fish looks nasty. I wanna. Are you gonna pick those up? Who wants it, bro? We'll come back.
PB, Pop Vulture. No, he said he's not doing Marvel.
He's not doing Marvel?
Danny.
Danny? Nah. Nah, he can't get that. None for you.
Well, let's go look at the minis now. Here at Fake Life, we're gonna do something classic that I know you motherfuckers love to see, but
Hey, bro, do I look like an attack dog?
you look like a horny dog.
He's like fucking Scooby Doo on crack.
Show you my porn stash. Huh?
You didn't hear this motherfucker.
That
Just having a conversation here. We're recording. We're live.
I'm gonna tell you right now, fools.
9226, please.
Muscat.
Halloween is coming. Look at nice.
Muscat. Wait, I think your fig wife wanted some of that too. Yeah, Mother of Pops, the fig wife. Hey, if you want these for it, I think she wanted these.
Really? Danny, hit us up.
Danny, let us know. This and the Behemoth and the Flock Sally.
Yo,
He's got you.
what about that Fred?
Got nobody. It's for me.
Oh, what about this? What about this, boys?
We can probably unbox this now after we put up the shutters. Yeah, that's good footage.
Okay.
Right there.
Let me tell you guys something. Hold on, let me get the fat man. Oh, he's Fat Heisman. Right there. This guy Abel lately, I don't know, Mother Pops, hurry up, man. This guy's throwing cash away like it's free. Listen, man, don't worry about it, man. She said she won't spoil you. As a matter of fact, due to the
Wait, look at this motherfucker.
One more stop and it's Walgreens and we're looking for the Pumpkin King for Alex.
Behemoth out the back, man.
Here's where you're gonna trade it.
Trade. I'm just gonna switch. Exchange.
We gotta switch one pop for another. Alex has to switch it for the Pumpkin King. Hopefully they have it here in mint fresh condition. Alex picked up his Pumpkin King.
One for the wife. She'll be happy today. And let the manicon stain.
Taze and Rob hooked it up, open box, which is perfect because I want to display that motherfucker.
Oh shit. Snakes in the flames.
Oh, Vampiro.
Who's up on Peter? Oh,
Blade.
you don't want that.
I don't want the blade. I want Electra, that's the only one I'm missing, but I'm gonna have to hold today. I'm already down $70.
Down. Shit. Buying toys is like,
That's a come up, man.
that's coming up. You're putting money in your pocket. Right? Oh yeah, tell the Alliance que se cae en la boca, bro.
What?
Because they're ruining the video. You hear the ping, ping.
Oh yeah, bro, stop speaking.
Oh yeah, chasing Rob, he loves it. He loves it.
Ding. If my phone was here, it'd be ding, ding, ding. Alright, we're on our way home, girl. That's it. We gotta prep for the fucking hurricane. Anyways, the hurricane's gonna bring us more toys. Almost guaranteed.
Rob, I think it's only about 5 for 3. They ain't get that motherfucking no milk.
Getting to Rich's house, we're gonna have to put some shutters. Cause the hurricane's gonna take all his toys. Alright, right now we're gonna do an unboxing of the damn horror minis.
Right here. How many we got? 1, 2.
Richard has to pick 7 and the other 7 are mine. And we get what we get.
6.
We lost one.
Check your ass.
Found it. Straight out of his ass.
This is Freddy, bro.
So that's your first pick?
Yes.
Got it.
Freddy. Come on, Freddy. Oh, Zool. Ghostbusters.
Esta misma.
Shut up, bro.
What's them all these Zools for you, bro? Esto es mierda. Oh!
Oh, Elvira, bro. That's my bitch, bro. This guy, bro.
Viral, baby.
That fig wife.
Oh! My Elvira fell.
Come on, Freddy. Come on, Freddy. No, Jason. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'll take that. Look at that, people.
Shit yourself.
Jason. A little blood on that looks good to me. Jason. This motherfucker. He's trying to scam me. No!
The taste!
No! I'll trade you. Freddy. Me Freddy, bro. Get that Jack Torrance, son. Jack. No! El hombre lobo. You know he makes me do. Ow! I don't see Jack Torrance and I don't see Freddy.
Look at that box right there.
Very deadly.
Who can this be?
Who can it be?
Oh my god! No!
Ringing. She's cursed, bro. Motherfucker. Come on. The twins right there.
Oh, damn.
Red rum for your ass. Red rum. Come on, bro.
I'm on with a light one. Freddy!
The mush.
Trade you for 22. Okay, mierda es esta, man. Oh no.
But I'm Cuban, B.
The
Mummy. The mummy. The mummy.
The mummy, baby, with the ring.
That one's dope. Come on, Freddy. Or Jack. We haven't seen the Clockwork Orange motherfucker either. Jack Torrance!
Jack Torrance.
Better be the chase, son. No! Hey, wait. This nigga got a dope ass suit with blood splatter.
Oh, that was nice, bro.
Is that
I'll trade
the
that one for the taste.
Psycho Bates Motel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Is it him?
No!
Oh, man!
That bitch!
Two
I
Reagans.
called her a bitch, so she came out twice.
You know them clowns. Scarier than a mug.
Make you shit yourself.
Twisty.
I like this guy has a dick in his face.
I like that mug.
Yo, those guys were like.
Those guys are faggot. That was nice. I like that.
As you get shit, you didn't put on this.
We got
last box.
these motherfuckers.
It's a heavy motherfucker.
Bang. It'll be another Chase Zool. Who is that, bro? Who you got? Who you got, son? Mierda.
Well, I gotta guess this one.
Oh, come on, you cocksucker.
A heavy motherfucker? It has to be the twins. Probably the twins or Zool.
I need to guess it, bro. I can't just open it.
Don't be an asshole. You're not a fucking Jedi.
It's a fucking shark.
Te lo cambio.
It's a shark.
Jaws, what the fuck?
The fuck?
He's not even here. He's not on here.
Dun, 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 dun.
No, bro, that's fucking Jaws, bro. Let the trading begin.
Let the trading begin.
What you need, bro? What you need, bro?
Alright guys, now let's show you our haul for today.
Are we live? Welcome to Fig Life Shit Yourself News. As you can see, Fig Life, we're reporting here, and we got some shit coming our way. Holy hell. Abel, what do you got on your end? Because right now I got a shitload of rain and thunder coming my way. So stay safe, hold your cocks, hold your balls and your bitches and make love. Big Life, Alex reporting right now. Holy shit, I'll see you in a second.
Reporting from Pembroke Pines, I'm here at the park. The news, don't come to the park and play when a fucking hurricane is coming. The shit's flying everywhere, motherfucker. Oh!
All right, Abel, thank you, bro. Over here now, reporting by the lake, starting to fill up, sir. I saw some shit hit you, I hope you're okay. Here at Fig Life Shit Yourself News, we put ourselves in all sorts of danger, reporting all sorts of shit. As you can see, we got some down stuff over here, some palm trees already. You know, things are getting serious. We really should be hunting, but everything's closed. What can I tell you? Our brother in Red Light, he's trapped inside some shithole. He can't come out and report, so this broadcast is between me and Abel. All right, as things get closer, you can see the breeze picking up. I wouldn't advise you bitch-ass toy hunters to come out here at this time. Things are gonna get worse as we get closer, so please stay inside. We got tornado warnings, and we'll let you know here. Keep you posted at Fig Life Shit Yourself News. We'll be back. Back to you, Abel.
Alex, as you can see, I have to climb a tree because shit's getting flooded up in this motherfucker. And I'm scared. My shit. Oh shit! The trees are moving. The wind is blowing. I can't believe it.
All right, thank you, Abel. I'm over here now. As you can see, it's starting to rise. There's fears that maybe some assholes might have thrown a baby alligator in there, and who knows if that shit will come chomp our asses. So stay away from here. We have gust winds coming in. I could have swore I saw a couple of midgets having an orgy over there. But as the rain comes and you feel the weather coming down on us, midgets were scattering. They were fucking each other over there, and they took off in the middle of the night. So we like to say here, stay home. Fig Life Shit Yourself News. We try to bring you everything we can, but as the night gets stronger, as you can see, the wind's picking up here. Last I saw Abel, he was in a tree like a goddamn fool. Bearded, don't try this. This is only for Miamians. Do I see a midget anywhere? No, we're good. So I like to say, thank you once again for tuning in. We saw midgets. We got the hurricane. People are fucking. Hang on tight to your loved ones. Shit, we gotta get out of here. Back to you, Abel, and thank you once again for watching Fig Life Shit Yourself News. I gotta get out of here before I shit myself.
Thank you, Alex. But let's get out of here because it's getting windy as fuck, motherfucker.